How to redeem codes in Archero 2. First of all, let's navigate and open the Archero 2 game on your mobile phone. Once you are in, you need to copy your user ID. So tap on the three lines at the top left side and then select settings. Once the settings page opens up on the screen, tap on copy next to the user ID. Now let's go back to the mobile homepage and open any web browser that you use for searching. Once the app is open, search for Archero 2 Redeem Codes website. Once you get the search results, open the first website named Gift Exchange website. Now here you need to paste the copied user ID and next type the rewards code. In the third field, it will ask you to enter the verification code written next to this field and finally tap on redeem. Confirm your user ID and code and tap on yes. If the redeem code is active, you will get the rewards. But if it doesn't work, find a valid code and follow this method to get the reward. And that's it. This is how you can redeem codes on Archero 2. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.